The hiccups, that familiar little spasm that always seems to show up at the absolute worst times. A quiet meeting, a first date, or when you're just trying to enjoy a meal. We've all been there, desperately trying to get rid of them. We've tried holding our breath, drinking water upside down, but sometimes those tricks just don't work. So, here's a weird but often effective remedy to try. Swallow a spoonful of sugar. It's thought that the sugar grains stimulate the nerves in the back of your throat, interrupting the hiccup reflex and calming that diaphragm spasm. It's an old trick, but a good one. It's not a scientific guarantee, but it's worth a try when you're desperate. Do you have a weird trick that always works for you? Tell us in the comments.